Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So this video is a quick update about LOLLIPOP live streaming platform, a platform that we use to live stream to earn money just like every other live streaming platform. But one of the things I always look out for before I mention any live streaming platform on this channel is that, can hosts withdraw their earning by themselves? What are the withdrawing methods? And many other questions that I check and ask. Of which LOLLIPOP, when they started, yes, I did it, I earn, I withdraw, and so many other persons from this community, they withdraw their earning. From one day to the next, they now change their policy. You can no longer withdraw directly to your account. Your agent have to withdraw for you, and even as the agent is withdrawing the earning, they will cut it here and there. And I'm like, no, hold on, this is not what we started. And I write to them, I said, please, I'm not comfortable with this, your new update. Can you please disband my agency? I want to remove everybody from my agency. So after I write to them, they did not say anything. So I now reach out to the person that was assigned to me as I become an agent. Because if you're an active agent, if they see people that are coming to you, before you know, they will give you someone that you can reach out to. I reach out to that person, no response up until now. So I was like, okay, let me just, should I delete the app? I'm like, if I delete the app, will that solve the problem? I was looking in and out. I keep on checking, I keep on updating the app to see if there's anything I can do, because I discovered that when I click on remove, it will, ever since I write to them, it will say fail. This thing I'm explaining, don't worry, I will show you practically. And I even have to film it so that it will not be that it's screen recording that some might think maybe I edit it, so you are going to see it. So if I click on remove, it will say network fail. This happened for days, more than like up to 2 weeks now. And every day, almost every day, I have to like check. So I see that there's a place you can disband agency. If I click on disband agency, it will tell me network fail. So at this point, I don't even know what to do. So if you are here, you are watching, and you know what can be done, please let me know. LOLLIPOP, if you watch this video, please, I'm no longer interested in your app. Thirdly, this is a reminder that internet is internet. Always play with what you can afford to lose, and anything can happen. This is another confirmation that no matter how careful you are, no matter how you scrutinize some of these things, some of this app, they can update tomorrow and you just look dumb. That is just it, because I am just helpless, I'm speechless, I don't even know what to do. I'm feeling pain, because some people, like, sometimes if I drop a new video, some people like, ma, what's happening to LOLLIPOP? I cannot withdraw. Ma, what's happening to LOLLIPOP? I cannot withdraw. Me self, I don't even know what to do at this point, and I can't keep hiding, so I have to come out. Please, if you're an agent and you are watching this video and you know what can be done, let me know, because I write to LOLLIPOP is not saying something, and maybe because I told them from the beginning I'm no longer interested, that is why they make it impossible for me to remove people from my agency, or they make it impossible for me to disband my agency. But for now, I'm going to private all the videos I made on the LOLLIPOP live streaming platform. And then I have an important announcement. Yeah. So I want to start a 30 days challenge. If you are here and you are interested in making money on the internet, you know, YouTube is one of the best platforms out there. So I want us to do a 30 days challenge where you will learn how to create your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, and all that. Everything YouTube. And we are going to be posting every day consistent for 30 days. I want to see how I can help, even if it is just one person at the end of the day that can make $100 from the internet. The opportunities are endless. Honestly, internet have changed my life. YouTube has changed my life. Like, have changed my life for good. I don't know. Anytime I want to talk about how internet have changed my life, I always become so emotional. Like I don't want to cry. And the best way to give back to the community is to teach, right? So I'll be coming live during the challenge. Creating a Telegram group or channel, it depends. So if you are interested, just let me know. Comment interested in the comment section of this video if you are interested in the challenge. I'm going to show you everything. Like, if you are following me, you should always know that I don't hold back. People used to get angry at me that things that they sell, I give out for free. It's not as if I don't sell also, but there are so many things that I just feel I should give back. If at this point you have not liked this video, I beg, like it now, I beg you. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question, ask. If this is the first time you are coming across my video, I don't even know how to speak good English. If this is your first time coming across my video, am I looking beautiful? I'm just doing all this to encourage you. Please, you have to start YouTube. Yes, you that are watching me, you have to start YouTube. Bye. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Like, I saw one guy that, like, this is, I'm not doing as if it's not a video because I'm not going to edit it. I saw one guy. He'll be filming, he'll be traveling and be filming. This is a goat, this is a sheep, see chicken, see trees moving. And you cannot begin to imagine how much this guy is making currently. I beg you, should come and start recording. I don't want to hear I'm camera shy. I'm going to kick all that shyness. If I can move from this. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am IJAPARI Gang, the mom on point. If you have watched my last video, I talked about top 7 internet business ideas you can start and run from home. And today's video is a follow-up from my last video. Are you stuck in a learning phase and not willing, ready to this right now? With 4 children, you too can. We are going to purge professionalism at the first. We are going to kill procrastination. Like, it's not going to be all about video. Like, it's going to be motivation, it's going to be encouragement. I'll be sharing my story. I'll be helping you. We'll be helping each other. Bye.